Hey my gorgeous kitty fam, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be sharing some of my fashion favorites like summer dresses, flats, jewelry which are better than Zara and H&M in my opinion. So grab your snacks, coffee and let's dive into this video. I feel that Zara has become more expensive and their fabric quality has downgraded, and H&M is more affordable, but I feel their designs are very boring. So if you guys want something new but also affordable prices, then I love House of Sal. This is an Indian brand and I found them on Instagram, but they're also available on Nykaa Fashion, so you can also like return these products if you don't like it, or if you want to like exchange the different size. I'm in size medium. Let me dim down the light so you can see. So this is like a very beautiful peach dress that I've worn in some of my videos. It's not cotton, but the fabric is so breathable and comfortable. I wore it in Udaipur. I will like play a clip for you guys. Also this red dress, I wore it on my boat ride in Udaipur. I got some pictures, but if you guys like looking for cotton dresses, then these are again by House of Sal. I love this blue dress which I wore on my birthday. I love it. It's super comfortable and I love this print. It's very Indian, ethnic. It's perfect for like Jaipur or Udaipur or anywhere in Rajasthan. It's vibrant, unique, and it hugs you in all the right places. It doesn't feel mass produced and it's so soft. I feel it would be perfect for Bali or Thailand vacation. So these are some of my favorite summer dresses from House of Sal. They are very affordable. Like most of these are around 2000 and under 2000, like 1500 or something. So definitely check these out. I'm gonna be linking these in my description box. Now let's move on to these flats, because I know we love our heels, but these flats are the real MVPs, especially when you are like roaming around and traveling whole day long. Your feet will not hurt because these are stylish, chic, unique, but also very comfortable. Like it has this cushioning. I like the Zara heels. They are so stylish and very comfortable, but again expensive. So these are Kai flats. Again, this is like a Indian brand. So yeah, you can get this from Myntra, and if you don't like it, you can return it. Make sure you check the store policy if they accept returns. Sometimes these brands do accept returns, but they give you store credit in return, so you will have to buy something from their store only. And finally, let's talk about some jewelry, because no outfit is complete without a little sparkle, right? So I have this Indian brand Eleanor Jewels that beat H&M and Zara accessories. I'm wearing this necklace from Eleanor Jewels, these earrings, rings, my bracelet, everything is from there. I've been wearing it for more than a year and it has not faded. The shine is still there. With Zara and H&M jewelry, I feel that their sparkle fades within months, like within weeks. None of this is sponsored. I've been seeing a lot of your comments that you love how I dress myself, my jewelry and everything. It's very minimalist and I can wear these jewelry pieces anywhere, so that's why I love them. And I can pair it with anything like ethnic or my summer dresses, or when I'm traveling. These are very lightweight on my ears. Like I have very tiny ears. I also quickly want to talk about this dress. It has this back tie closure. You know, it's kind of backless, but with this back tie closure where you can tie, and I got this from Nykaa Fashion from their Revolve store, and this is a little bit on the expensive side, but I have been looking for this kind of dress everywhere and I couldn't find it, especially a cotton dress, because that's what I like to wear when I'm traveling or just anyway. I'm in my 30s, so I prefer something comfortable but also chic. So I got this for 6,700 rupees. I know, a little bit expensive, but I believe in investing really good quality products and something that I really like, so that I would wear it a lot of times. And I don't buy anything half-heartedly just because it's like, you know, affordable or something. I buy something when I really like it. So I love it and I'm gonna be wearing it next summer. So yeah, if you guys want like a very unique dress to take some cute pictures, let me know in the comment section which pieces are your favorite. And all of these are very affordable affordable, around 1000 to 2000. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.